Alright, in this video we're going to find the vertex of a parabola. Every parabola has a vertex. A vertex can be a minimum point, like the one I just drew. Alright, it's at the very base of the parabola. We can also have a parabola with a maximum, where the point is at the top of an upside down parabola. Alright, vertexes can always be identified with an xy coordinate. The two that I have here, the one on the top is a -2, 4 for a coordinate. The one on the bottom is -4, +2. Alright, we're going to find these points by using just off of an equation. Alright, the equation we're going to work with first is y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. Alright, you already know how to find the x coordinate. I'm going to write the coordinates down here. Alright, we're looking to find the x coordinate. Alright, the x coordinate is the axis of symmetry. It's the x equals minus b over 2a. So let's do that on this equation. Minus b, right, minus -8 over 2 times a, which is 2. All right, we do this minus -8 is going to give us a +8. 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. That gives us an axis of symmetry of 2. Right? We know that this parabola is going to be along this line here. We just need to find the y-coordinate. All right, I'm going to write my x in here. The x that I just found, the 2. All right, now I'm going to find my y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is easy. I found the 2. Now I'm going to insert it into this equation, the original equation. All right, so I'm going to enter 2 everywhere there's an x. 2 parentheses 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 5. All right, y equals 2 squared is 4. You can put this, by the way, you can put this straight into your calculator. Just make sure to use the parentheses just like I've used them. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5. All right. So y equals 8 minus 16, which is -8, plus 5, which is -3. So that's our y-coordinate, -3. We go to plot that. 2, -3. That means the vertex of our parabola is right here. We don't know exactly what it looks like, but we know that the vertex is right there. All right, we're going to try a second problem. Again, I'd suggest that you stop the video when I write the problem down and you try it for yourself. All right, this one is going to be y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. All right, we're going to solve for the axis of symmetry, which is the x coordinate. I'm going to write my coordinates down here again. All right, x equals minus b over 2 times a. A is 1, b is -6. I've got minus -6, which is going to give us a +6, over 2, which gives us an x coordinate of 3. I go down, I put it in my coordinate. Now I'm going to solve for y. Y equals, and if you remember from the previous video, all I do now that I know x is go up and insert it into the y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. So I'm going to have 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8. 3 squared is 9. Minus 6 times 3 is minus 18 plus 8. 9 minus 18 is going to give us negative 9. Negative 9 plus 8 is going to give us negative 1. We've solved for our y. We insert it here. Right? Now I can go plot the point. 3, negative 1. That's my vertex. That's my vertex for this parabola. Right? I don't know that it looks like this, but I do know that the vertex is right there. All right. So if you're still a little fuzzy on this, I would suggest that you go back, rewatch this video, practice both these problems again.